Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this session, I am going to show you how to remove a row or how to remove a column from an existing data table. So for that example, I am going to take an existing data which is containing the data of the student name, roll number and the marks. So here what I will do is I want to remove some rows from this data table. So with the help of remove row activity, I am going to remove some data and in the same way for temporarily I'm going to remove this marks column. So I will show you how we can achieve this. So for that, so first go to the activities and search for remove. So here in the data table session we can see remove data column and remove data row. So I'm going to drag and drop both these activities into the design panel. That is remove data column, and another thing we need to have is remove data row. Okay, so if you observe the properties of this remove data column, so it is expecting a data table. So here I'm going to provide our data table which is DT. Okay, so and it has three fields for specifying the column name. So either by using the column index or using the column name. So now I'm going to keep the column name as marks. Okay, so this column automatically get removed from our data table. Okay, so next we are going to remove the data. So as we have seen, we have certain data. So up to 10 or 11 we have available in this data table. So I'm going to remove this last one. For example, he is on the 10th row. So let's go to this remove data row and see the property. So here also it is expecting a data table. So I'm keeping this data table as DT. Okay. So and I'm keeping the row index or a row. So here we have two fields, row or row index. So I'm going to use this row index. So I'm keeping the row index like 10. So now this based on the row index, that row will get removed from our data table. So for printing this out data table, I'm going to use output data table. So here I'm going to provide the data table as my input, which is DT, and as it gives the text data. So here I'm creating one more variable which is of type string. So I'm keeping this as value. So now we can see here. So I'm going to print the result on my output line, output panel. So for that I'm going to use Python activity, so which is going to print the result in my output panel. Okay, here I'm giving the input for this as value. Okay, so now let's run this. So we should able to see the data without the column of marks and without the 10th. Okay, so let's execute this one. Execution is started. So we can see the output here. So here we don't have the column called marks. So we are able to see only the rows, student name and row number. And if you observe the data table, so in the last row we have the data related to the key of marks by 795 and the roll number is 55, which are equals, which are of two rows, wiki 55 with 72 marks, wiki 55 with 795 marks. Okay, so let's see the output. So here in the last row we are able to see only one record with the name wiki 55. So or else we will try with one more example in the remove row. I want to hide this auto panel for them. So go to this. I am changing the index to 5. So if it is the index of 5 means 2, 3, 4, 5. So Ravi is going to disappear from our data table in the output panel. Okay. So let's run this. So whatever the changes you are making, it will not override the existing data. that we need to remember. Okay, let's run this. Yeah, here we can see the output. So we don't have the marks column, and here in this we are not able to find out the Ravi as well. It means that fifth row got eliminated from our data table. So which is related to Ravi is removed from our data table. Okay. So like this we are going to use this remove row or remove column activity in our remove lectures. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more tutorials of Uipath Studio and videos testing tools. Thank you.